During all of those years that we spent watching our Saturday morning cartoons, we were being lied to. Our favorite cartoon characters led us to believe that by simply running off of a cliff, we could achieve the power of flight. There is, of course, a sad truth we have to face.
Listen, Katie, I'm a physics student. You're not going to be able to fly.
Roadrunner can do it.
No, he cannot. That's wrong. That's not right.
It's physically incorrect. Humans will never be able to fly.
Katie, honey, I'm sorry. You can't fly.
Our inability to fly is brought to us by gravity, the force that pulls us back to the planet Earth with an acceleration of -10 meters per second squared. It's what pulls us back to the surface every time, or keeps us from lifting off.
Curse you, gravity!
Cartoon writers have obviously not met G. They've also led us to believe another common misconception. We're just going to keep going. This is also physically incorrect. There are two kinds of velocities that make this assumption false. The first is horizontal velocity, the velocity of one going in a horizontal direction. And vertical velocity. It's pretty self-explanatory. Let's throw our favorite food off a cliff to prove this. If gravity did not exist, the burrito would continue traveling in the same direction at the same velocity it had started with. Unfortunately, we can't get rid of gravity. We would still travel in the same direction, but at the same time we would be yanked down by gravity with the increasing acceleration of -10 meters a second squared. This would cause us not only to fall down, but out at the same time, away from the object that we are jumping off of. Occasionally, Looney Tunes did attempt to get this right, but don't believe everything you see.